our $69.99 plan and experience America's most improved customer satisfaction.
Another 10 minutes late again. Oh,
Tuesday, see one couple going through
Jack.
divorce, but forced to live together because they can't
Jack, what are you
afford to
doing?
live apart. Cameras rolling, the children watching it all.
It's not how it's supposed to work.
Tuesday, shh, their family secrets are out at 10/9 Central on ABC.
Good boy, Jack.
Oh my god, look at his head.
Yeah, but you see that in like Planet Earth and shit. They I heard he had 3 scoops. See, you can see him digesting right on the side. 3 scoops, and he's good for about 15-20 minutes, and then you hear him chirp, and he's hungry again. Hey, Jack.
Hard work being a mama bird.
Hey, Jack. Clean your beak. Clean your beak, Jack. Clean your beak, Jack. Good boy. Good on you. Yes, sugar. Come here, sugar. You have some on you. Isn't he cute? Look, he's opening his eyes a bit. No, close his eyes. He's gonna poop soon.
They poop a lot. Poor birdie.
See, you can see it digesting. Oh, look, he pooped, see?
Oh my.
I told you.
Just like that, eh?
Is it sad that I so know when the bird's gonna poop? Oh my god, that's horrible.
Oh, we're
I'm
gonna try
such a mother hen.
to try to get your brothers and sisters, eh?
Yeah, I gotta try tomorrow.
Oh my.